Looking for a fun and easy way to make money while listening to your favorite tunes? In this exciting video, I will introducing a revolutionary free app that not only allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes, but also pays you for doing so. I'll be revealing the secrets behind this incredible app and how you can start earning extra cash by simply listening to music. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to turn your passion for music into a rewarding experience. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Get ready to turn your passion into profit with Current Rewards app, which actually pays you to listen to music. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to earning real cash while jamming out to your favorite tunes. Current Rewards app is a free app that pays you to do listening to music. You can get from the Apple Store and the Play Store. It has more than 1 million radio stations in genres like metal, country, slow, relax and chill, Hindi and pop rock, rap and hip hop. So, you will find your favorite radio station. As you listen to music, you earn points for each song. You can trade these points in for cash or gifts. And the best part, it is available all over the world. So how does it work? It's simple. All you need to do is download Current Rewards app, create an account, and start exploring the vast library of songs available. As you listen, engage with the app by rating songs, creating playlists, or sharing your favorite tracks on social media. The more active and engaged, the more opportunities arise for earning rewards. You can cash out with PayPal or gift cards. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Download Current Rewards free app today and start earning money by simply listening to music. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.